Welcome to another how-to video, how to align text in Adobe Illustrator. First, open your Adobe Illustrator. Here you can see I have my Adobe open and I already have my text right here. It is aligned to the left and that's a default one. To set it into this different alignment, go up to the Window tab. On the option, select Type and go to Paragraph. Then you can see now the alignment options on your right. Or you can do the easiest way. First, click your text box, then head to your right. On the Properties tab, you can see Paragraph over here with the alignment options. Choose which one suits you, and you're good to go. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.